Thank you. Thank you no much, 90s. Walang sawa ninyong pagpunta, mag-attend, and every time meron tayong reunion.
I got that something you want. I got that something.
Pasalamat ako kasi ito ang nagpapakita ng pag-appreciate natin sa hirap ng ating mga organizers.
I got the steam to roll. You give me just one look and you know I'm good to go. You know I'm good to go. Let's get together. Let's get to having some fun.
Kayo ang aming inspirasyon na ganito pala kami. Malayo ng inyong narating, kayo ang produkto namin. Parang nakakataba ng puso na ganyan kayo ngayon. Congratulations everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me and the other teachers. Looking forward for another more reunion.
You got that something I want.
I would like to acknowledge yung effort at saka yung time na ibinigay ng ating mga organizers to make this happen, to make this possible
Let's
today.
get together. Let's get to having some fun. Let's do it.
Pasalamat kami hanggang ngayon. Nandito pa rin kami mga teachers nila. Sumusuporta sa kanila sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa amin. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin kami. Thanks God and God bless all Batch 90.
Ibang-iba na sila ngayon. Tsaka mababait pa rin sila. Kilalang-kilala pa nila kami. Kaya nga ang nararamdaman ko, sila napaka mabubuti nilang mga bata noon at ngayon.
Let's get together. Let's get to having some fun. Let's do whatever. The night's looking so young. Let's get together. Let's get to having some fun. Let's get together. Let's get together.
Video at photo ay provided multi-awarding international. Kaya ganyan palupit ang ating video and photo. Production yan ni Ariel Sosito.
It all starts now. It begins now. It all starts now. It's just beginning. Our day has come.
5th anniversary. Thank you for inviting us, and then continue to be acquainted with each other. And thank you for this opportunity to meet with you, all my students in Section Ruby, and not only in Ruby but throughout the Bus 1990. Thank you.
Get in. So don't you hold your breath. Better start watching. The world will see how it all starts now.
Tuwa ako dahil nagiging successful sila kahit ganyan ang buhay nila noon at ngayon ay nagiging maganda ang
It all starts now. Let's
Bus
shake
90, more success, and congratulations to all of you.
Our road to gold is about to come. Put in the work, we're always get it done. Do you feel it rising up? You feel it coming. A new day's on the way. It's just beginning.
Congratulations at kayo'y nagsama-sama muli. At sana lagi niyong hindi kalimutan ang inyong mga guro sa mga pagtitipon na katulad ng ganito. Yun lang at God bless you all.
I am happy to see all these students that we had before, and I hope more success for all of you. God bless you all, my dear students.
Kaming mga guro, isang malaking karangalan para sa mga guro ang maimbitihan sa mga ganitong reunion. dahil yan ay pagpapatunay na hindi nyo kami nakakalimutan.
Hindi.
Maraming salamat at cheers sa 35th
Cheers.
anniversary reunion ng BATS 1990. I pray each one of you na maging malakas, maging maayos sa pangangatawan, lahat ng pamilya nyo ay maging maayos po lahat. Thank you so much. Enjoy everyone! Thank you. Have fun and party now!